The Culling of Stratholme. Prince Arthas needs your help. Malganis has spread an infection amongst the Stratholme citizens, and we must help Arthas prevent this infection from spreading to other parts of the kingdom. You receive a string S as input. Each word represents a house, and each letter represents a citizen. All infected citizens are represented as I or capital I in S. You must eradicate them and their neighbors. If an infected citizen appears after or before a space, you should not delete the space, but keep in mind that the distance from house to house, word to word, has to have only one space. So these are examples. Notes. There are no apostrophes or any non-alphanumeric characters other than spaces. Make sure there are no leading or trailing spaces in the result string. You will always be given a valid string. You won't be provided any empty strings. Good luck and for the Lions. Right.